to be loading and unloading bay. So in the case of an emergency evacuation, we do not enter through the main science center building. Alright, are you clear with the safety announcement?
Yes.
So fire is an important component of our human civilization, helping us to cook, helping us to defend ourselves, and even to forge metals. Alright, so I have a burning question for everyone. What is fire? You can shout out any answers. Fire produces heat, you are right? Fire is an element. It is made up of some elements and requires some elements. Yes, anything else? Fire is dangerous? Okay. Alright, so very good answers and responses. But in science, fire is actually a chemical reaction we call combustion. And we require three main ingredients to make or create a fire. Alright, I want to give some guesses. What are these three ingredients? Okay, oxygen, you're right. And what else? Oil, yes, a source of fuel. And what else? Last ingredient. A spark, alright, or a heat source or an initial spark. You are right. Okay, so these are the three main ingredients required for us to make a fire. So right here in my hands, I actually have all three ingredients. So inside this tube is a brown colored powder, or what we call lycopodium powder. It comes from a plant named club mosses. Alright, and what's more interesting is that it's actually very high in oil content and even used in fireworks. So it would make for a very good source of fuel and mixed with oxygen, right? And that's present in our air all around us. And here I have a lighter which will serve as our initial spark. So with all these ingredients, do you guys think I'll be able to create a fire?
Yes.
Okay, let's find out, and I think you'll have to count down together with me, okay? So ready from 5, 4,
I'm just yelling, bro. One.
Did you guys see a fireball?
That's why you can hear it, man.
Okay, so I managed to create a fire. But today, are you guys here just to see a fireball? No, what are you guys here to see?
Not tomato.
Fire tornado, yes. So have you guys seen a tornado before in real life? Have you seen before? In real life? Okay, I'm very happy to still see you here today. Okay, but how many of you guys know how does a tornado move? Can you show me with your hands? Ready? Yes, you're right. It moves in kind of like a spiral spinning motion, right? So how can we create that right here in our fire chamber? So later on, we'll create a fire in the middle of the chamber in this cauldron. And if you look carefully,
100 degrees Celsius. 200.